industry is evolving with the alternative fuel options and new technologies, so is the need for the component segment as well. And to understand more on this, we are here to talk to Mr. Krishna Kumar Srinivasan, who's the MD and CEO of Shriram Pistons and Rings here. Thanks for talking to ET Auto, sir.
Thank you very much.
You have been a leading auto component player in the conventional powertrain segment here. So, and now you're diversifying your portfolio with your subsidiary. You're already producing the electric motors and controllers. So, could you share more? How has the demand been? What is it right now? And if you're venturing into new products going ahead?
Yeah. So, we have always believed in the, overall growing the business, and that has been our primary aim. And, if you really see, even in our legacy business, the pistons, rings, and there's a huge scope for us to grow the business from a technology standpoint. There's a requirement for flex fuels. There's a requirement for HCNG applications, CNG applications. So we are actually now focusing all our energy in terms of really developing products for those applications. Now, as we develop for those applications, also necessary for us to be present in all the powertrains, whether it is hybrids, whether it is electric powertrains, and that with that as a focus, and we have, to ensure that we are always remaining in the powertrain segment of the business. That is, with that idea, we have invested into the other companies. So the electric business is also something that we have invested in around 2 years back in a company called EMF Innovations. And this EMF Innovations is primarily, the good part about this is a lot of things is homegrown. And to a fair extent, it is fully localized. Now, the biggest advantage of EMF Innovation, SPR EMF Innovations as we call it today, is that the products are completely localized, and except for the magnets, we don't import anything, and we have already got the ICAT certification. We have got the approval from from ARAI. We have got the PM E-Drive approval. So we are amongst the few companies who are able to give the full localization benefit to the customer, and we have really developed the products ranging from 250 watts right up to 350 kilowatts. Now, as you can see in this huge range that we have set up here, all this is manufactured in our facility in Coimbatore, and we manufacture for various kinds of hub motors. We can manufacture various kinds of radial motors. We also manufacture the 3-in-1 motors with the transmission reduction, which is required for certain applications where they need higher torque. And similarly, you can see we make motors right from 7 kilowatts peak. We make right from 3 kilowatts peak right up to 60 kilowatts peak already, and we can extend it up to 350 kilowatts.
How much is the total capacity, the Coimbatore, the Ghaziabad, overall capacity?
Well, Ghaziabad is more into our existing powertrains.
Yeah.
So it's more into manufacturing. So we make almost close to anywhere between 45 to 46 million pistons annually. We make close to 150 million rings, piston rings. We make close to 100 odd million engine valves. So we have a huge facility in Ghaziabad and Pathredi which caters to the legacy product. We also have a facility in Pithampur which manufactures the engine valves. And as far as the electric motors and controllers are concerned, we manufacture it in a Coimbatore facility. And we have also 2 more facilities, one in Neemrana and 2 more facilities in Noida. And the Neemrana facility does precision plastic injection molding facilities. And the Timex group that we have acquired recently also does precision injection plastic. So plastics as a business for us is going to be close to 500 crores. And that is how we are growing the overall business.
Also at your pavilion, we recently saw, hydrogen pistons you're working on, we've just seen. So how do you see that coming into production? Like, how far are we from there?
Yeah, so hydrogen is a little bit far away now, but hydrogen as a piston, if I have to really see, now, for hydrogen applications, the piston requires a lot of new engineering development to be done. So if you really see the piston, you will see that it has got a deep bowl. It has a very unique profile, which is redesigned and designed because we have to ensure that the swirl in the gas chamber, in the engine chamber, is very minimal, and it's in the right direction. and we have to also ensure that we are able to create the right power equation. So with all that design, we have to really redesign the whole product to be able to meet those applications. At the same time, we have to also ensure that we use the rings, etc., in such a manner that it is away from hydrogen embrittlement possibilities. So we have to ensure that all that, and that is the kind of design that we have done. We have a state-of-art engineering center in Ghaziabad. Using this engineering center, we have been able to develop a lot of products ourselves. We have our own patents that we have done especially for low friction applications. We have very specific patents that we have got already in the country, and we have been able to apply those to the products that we supply.
All right, then, Mr. Srinivasan, that was nice talking to you,
Yeah.
and a wide variety of products as
Wide
well.
variety of products now.
Yeah, so thank you so much.
Yeah.
And
And on the parting side, I would say that as a group, we have actually grown our business. Our focus has been to grow the business, and all the investments that we have done is with a clear cut idea of growing the overall business, and also ensuring that we personally feel that the ICE engine is not going out anywhere, but all the powertrains will coexist. And it is very important for us to exist in all the powertrains. As a major powertrain supplier, it has become necessary for us to be able to supply all the powertrain modules. So as a result, now we are confident that apart from the IC engine, we will be able to supply to the hybrid engines, we will be able to supply to the electric powertrains, we will be able to supply to various other applications like the controllers and other things, which we have backward integrated with our plastic technology also. We will be able to supply products for those applications, and we have also made products for very niche applications in our precision injection molding parts. As a result, we have a fairly good wide range that covers the entire spectrum of the automotive component business.
Got
And that's
it.
really helped us to grow.
got it. On that note, wishing you the best
Thank you very
going
much.
forward, and thank you so
Pleasure
much.
meeting you.
Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot.